Assalamu alaikum. In this video we learn how to install Laravel debugger in my Laravel Nile project. So let's start. It's quite easy. We just need to follow from here the command composer require and this. So let's install it. It'll take a little time according to your internet speed. So right now my project page is viewing like this. Once the package will install, it will show the bar at the bottom, debug bar at the bottom of the page right here. So let's wait. Once it's complete, we'll test that. I'm pausing video here. Now package is installed. Now let's try to refresh it again, and you can see down here we have a bar. It's showing which page is loading, exceptions, timeline, messages, views, queries, all of the data we need. So it's help a lot in optimizing the project and do it beautifully. So good luck guys. If you have any curiosity, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Make sure you have the memory limit undefined in your PHP ini file and the latest PHP version. So good luck guys.